part of our vision to be a people-focused financial partner, really are looking at how do we help to address this. It's a catalytic program because it helps people who were barriered from employment get jobs. It helps builders get talent, and it helps to create more housing, which in the end is what we're really trying to achieve, is allowing people to have a place to live so that they can be strong and healthy and they can thrive.
So we went out and did research and looked at the issue. We found that 700,000 people are going to be leaving skilled trades by 2028. And so what was the piece that was missing in all of that ecosystem was actually the people to build those homes. Reframe advances housing affordability by helping people that want to build that housing get access to a career in skilled trades. But it's a different program. It's not just getting access to the skills you need to build housing. It's actually supporting people that want to build housing that are facing an economic barrier, get access to sort of a 360 view of supporting them as a person. We pay for them to be in the classroom, showing the respect for the skills that they're gaining. And then we wrap around supports like financial confidence. So we give them a curriculum around basic understanding of banking and fundamentals and saving money and getting out of debt and living your best life.
Last year we saw 4,000 applicants for 100 spots. So we know that the issue is that it's not that people don't want to get in the trades, they don't know how, and they need a little support to do that. Building Up's grown from being just an idea to an organization that's trained nearly 1,000 people, of which 85% got jobs in the construction industry. Like there's a lot of people who maybe were in and out of jail or were newcomers and refugees to the country that were feeling like they didn't know where to turn.
I have no idea about skilled trades at all. I couldn't even picture myself like doing this role. So it's like it opens a new path for me. My life has the meaning for myself for now. Before that, I'm just very lost, overwhelmed by the the difficulty, the new situations in Canada. But now I can say I'm really confident female about my work, about myself, about my identity.
I never thought when I was getting this going that we'd get there. Really, I don't think I knew what that would all mean. And just to see it unfold in this way and to be able to bring in supporters like Meridian to kind of support with that journey is really inspiring and exciting, and feels like it was all worthwhile.
What is my wish for the future of Reframe? Well, that is that we've expanded this program. As Mark talked about, the Building Up program has 4,000 applicants for 100 spots. So we can't say people don't want to work in the trades. They want to work in the trades. They want access to these jobs and these careers, which are good paying careers, so that they can have a great life for themselves and their family and improve their economic well-being.
If you help everything grow, everybody prospers together. And that's one of the things we really believe in, is we want our members to achieve their best life. And we think to do that, it's going to take a community to make it happen.
Meridian, thank you for believing people like me. Through your Reframe program, you're creating real opportunities for those who were overlooked and underestimated. Your support is life-changing, and it makes all the difference. Thank you.